Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an Amazon wig review. All of the details for where you can purchase this wig will be in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. This is an amazing, easy to install wig for under $40. So now that the weather is getting a little bit cooler, I will definitely be using wigs as a protective style and just when I want to give my hair a little bit of break. So this is definitely one of those go-to wigs that I'll be using. So if you know of any easy to install, beginner friendly wigs, please drop them in the description box because I'm definitely looking to purchase some new wigs for this fall/winter. So here are my final results, and I am definitely loving this wig. It's very easy to install. Not a lot of work to do with it at all. I did a little light fluffing with the curls, separated the curls a little bit, cut the lace off. And other than that, it's a piece of cake. So definitely check out the description box where you can purchase this wig. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.